So I wanted to welcome everyone. This is our first webinar from Root 3 Labs has put this together with a bunch of experts who really have in the same community offered to join us and lend their expertise to the conversation of product development, of building hardware devices, building a new company, and sort of all the things that go around with that. So there's a pretty wide community of resources and skill sets involved in that process. So I'm gonna, let me share my screen here. And I think that's right. All right. So this is the first of what we're hoping is a series of webinars. But this is so I want to introduce our panel. We have Todd Murphy is going to speak first. He's works at Root 3 Labs with me. He is a senior mechanical engineer and technology innovator with a lot of experience in robotics, healthcare, and the integration of sensors, hardware, and software. The co-founder of Tueo Health, Todd led product operations and designed a unique textile strap to attach a biometric sensor to users' mattresses. He's named on 5 patents and has co-authored peer-reviewed publications in the field of haptics, surgical skill assessment, and asthma management. He is going to talk to us today about strategic discovery, identifying the problems and solutions worth pursuing. And then after that, I'm gonna speak about the product development process, turning a concept into a finished product. I'm an entrepreneur myself and a mechanical design engineer with over 20 years of engineering experience in the design of complex electromechanical prototypes and products for the medical device and defense industries. I've worked with individuals, small and large businesses, as well as state and federal government clients. I've been named on 9 patents at the last count and a licensed SUAV commercial pilot, a duly licensed professional engineer by the state of Maryland, and a founder of Root 3 Labs. Next, we're going to talk to Dr. Brooks, Dr. Stephen Brooks, about commercialization and the strategies for the marketplace and regulatory compliance. Brooks, his company is Brooks MedTech. Dr. Brooks is a multifaceted healthcare consultant, publisher, and clinical trialist with 6 years experience as a medical officer for the FDA in the Office of Device Evaluation. Currently provides services as a consultant or embedded company office in the commercialization of medical technology companies. Dr. Brooks is active in developing thought leadership, content, and consultation on multiple interconnected strategic areas. By leveraging a large network of contacts in academia, government, and industry, sophisticated and nuanced guidance is developed for diverse client needs. And then Linda Hutchinson of Hutchinson Law is going to talk to us about intellectual property, how to protect your ideas. Ms. Hutchison is an intellectual property attorney with a background in manufacturing and business consulting. She's licensed to practice before the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office and helps inventors and businesses navigate the patent and trademark processes. It can be daunting, but Linda's personal approach lets clients move forward with confidence and enthusiasm. And then finally, we're going to talk to Eric Feig about legal planning. His company is Memphis Brow, and he's going to talk about legal planning, thinking about bringing in investors, what you need to know first. Mr. Feig brings more than 20 years experience representing and working with innovators in a variety of emerging and established technology, information, and content sectors. Recently, Eric has served as the general counsel responsible for all legal operations of a leading information technology and services company for more than a decade. His general counsel practice focuses on supporting the legal wellness of a company particularly growing and middle market organizations, and covers a wide range of corporate and operations related legal issues. So the way today is going to work, we're going to start with our presentations. This is being recorded. So I wanted to, let me see. This is being recorded, the Zoom call is. If you want to review it afterward or share it with someone that couldn't make it, we've turned off everyone's video and mic, so you don't have to worry about privacy issues. We're going to take questions from everyone after the presentations, but you can write your questions to Christina, who you can see as Route 3 Labs, and you can address questions to the chat at any time while we're talking, and we'll get to them. Or you can click the raise your hand button, and Christina will unmute you to ask your question during the Q&A. Okay, so let's let Todd share his screen, and he's going to start talking about strategic discovery.